Okay. Yeah, I'd probably cut it there. I'm not sure yet. Because without me messing up on that part with the, this... Oh, fuck. Oh, God. No. There are two C coins in here. Now, see, these guys always do the same pattern. They move one to, I think it's right or left. I can't remember. All I know is I better get this. Oh, my God. I need a heart. I'm sorry, dude. Oh, Snapple. Oh, thank God. I'm scared. Oh my God, I hate slowdowns. That's my fourth slowdown this level. I hate them so much at this point. Okay, the next part ends up being fairly easy, only for one precaution. The fact that if you keep jumping, you'll survive. It's simple as that. Sorry guys, today has not been too hot of a day for me. Oh goody, memorization. I got it. At least I think. 3, 4, 5, 6. I just guessed there, okay? I didn't have the pattern. I may have memorized it actually, but that's more of a guess and half the term. Oh, thank God. At this point, I just don't want it to be anything. I want it to be anything but a slowdown at this point. I also never knew you could do that, okay? God damn. Sorry about if you heard the microphone sound. Hang on, he might have something. Yeah, this is going to be a little detour for a second, okay? If you get 3 carrots by the 4th level, you can do this. All this is a free minigame. I'm going to do one shot. All but one. That's pretty good. But that's really all I can do. I'm not going to play much more. Sorry, guys. Now to continue onward. With all honesty, I'll probably be lucky to get this level in 2 videos, because this is a long level. It's not even easy to play. Plus, like I said, I'm going for every coin I can find. Let's see, no health and a speed. That's stupid. Oh, yeah, it was stupid. Oh well. I can't believe that little maneuver takes you all the way back here. That's stupid. I'm not gonna lie. Man. I almost feel like Cloud when he did his Gregory Horror show on YouTube. His was like the first one. This technically isn't the first go-through of this game. However, it's the first Let's Play of it. Plus, if I complete it, I'll be the first person to complete it on YouTube. Cut me a break! Thank God. Sorry guys, I'm just really getting into music. Don't die here, because if you do, you'll end up going all the way back. That's what's up with this. The safe spots are on the corners after every 3 platforms, because then you'll have to go up another flight. That's why I hate this. I just did the stupid way, so try to take this last platform before you go through. Now this part, if you stay stuck against the wall, you'll be good. Stay up against the wall and you'll be okay. Simple as that. You know what's funny? The fact that about 10, I forgot how many years ago, I lost count. It's the idea that all those years ago, me and my sister had so much trouble with that lake part, and I do it on my first try. That's no joke. That was indeed my first try. If you guys want to know why he let go at second, I don't know, okay? Also, if you go back down there, you'll find yourself a coin. Pardon me. I just had an asthma attack on Tuesday, and I've been out of it. My nose has been stuffy. If I'm breathing through my mouth, I apologize. I've never died there. Hey, you want to know a ridiculous, easy way to do this? Watch. Every time a platform gets over your head, just hit Z. If you hit Z and let go when the platform's over you, you'll just keep going like that. I can't believe me and my sister never found that out. Now this part is tricky. Thank God they give you a reset pad, only due to the fact that if you fuck this up and didn't have it, you'd probably be screwed completely. Let's start from left to right. Now, if you ask me, this is probably going to be one of the harder parts of the level to work with. See what I mean? Again, I apologize. But yeah, this may end up being harder than the lake was when I was a kid. Depending on how well you can work it. That part is definitely one of the harder. I love it when he gets big head. It makes him look funny. Okay. Now considering the way this ends up working out. Yeah, thanks. I needed that. And that. The way this works out is those platforms will rotate, see? And staying on them can definitely be a chore. But it is good if you make it. Damn you! Fucking... Yeah, here's a little way to keep yourself up somehow. If you use your tongue like this... If you just use your tongue, jump up, and use it when you land, that'll help get you through this easy enough. I hate this part, because it's so hard to do without that cheat. After you're past there, you're pretty much golden. God, you know, I kind of wish I knew what level theme this was. I think ninjas are Japanese. I'm not sure if they're Chinese or not. I'm pretty sure Chinese have the samurai. God, I really hope this isn't too loud. I'm really getting self-conscious about that. So if you heard a noise again, I moved the microphone again. Fuck. You always want to go for this when this part is down, and then you come down here when this part is down too, because over here will be a pole that you have to swing on. Yeah, you gotta swing on there. Yeah, it was definitely hard when I was young. How are you doing? The boss will appear soon. He's pretty strange, so be on your guard. Okay, be seeing you soon. How does that tell me what he is? Thanks, you retarded rabbit, for telling me what the fuck he is. Here's the boss pad. Okay, the way the deal's gonna go is I'm gonna try doing this without taking any damage.